Amethyst, with its captivating purple hues, has enchanted civilizations for millennia. Its name originates from the Greek word amethystos, meaning non-intoxicated. This enchanting crystal, a variety of quartz, is renowned for its stunning beauty and purported mystical properties. Amethyst's color ranges from pale lilac to deep violet, a result of trace amounts of iron and other minerals within its structure. This variation in color adds to its allure, making each amethyst unique. Found in various corners of the globe, amethyst forms in geodes, which are hollow rocks lined with crystals. These geodes, when opened, reveal a breathtaking spectacle of sparkling amethyst crystals. From ancient folklore to modern holistic practices, amethyst has held a place of honor, revered for its ability to inspire peace, intuition, and spiritual awareness. Amethyst is often referred to as the stone of serenity due to its calming and peaceful energy. It is believed to have a soothing effect on the mind, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Many people find that simply holding an amethyst crystal or meditating with it can bring a sense of tranquility and balance. Its gentle vibrations are thought to quiet the mind, allowing for greater relaxation. Amethyst is also associated with improved sleep quality. Placing an amethyst cluster in the bedroom, especially near the bed, is believed to promote restful sleep and ward off nightmares. Its ability to calm the mind and ease mental tension makes amethyst a valuable tool for those seeking to enhance their sleep hygiene and enjoy more peaceful nights. While many of the purported benefits of amethyst are rooted in ancient wisdom and spiritual practices, some scientific evidence supports its potential therapeutic effects. Studies have shown that the color purple, particularly the shade exhibited by amethyst, can have a calming effect on the nervous system. This calming influence can help to reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Additionally, amethyst, like other crystals, emits a subtle electromagnetic field. While more research is needed to understand the full impact of these fields on the human body, some proponents believe that they can interact with our own energy fields, promoting balance and well-being. Furthermore, the piezoelectric properties of quartz, of which amethyst is a variety, suggest that it can generate a small electrical charge when subjected to pressure. This unique characteristic is thought by some to contribute to amethyst's ability to influence energy flow within the body. Section 4. Amethyst Through the Ages, a history carved in stone. Amethyst boasts a rich history, interwoven with myths, legends, and cultural significance across various civilizations. In ancient Greece, amethyst was believed to prevent intoxication, hence its name. It was often incorporated into drinking vessels to ward off the intoxicating effects of alcohol. During the Middle Ages, amethyst was highly valued by the church and was often used in ecclesiastical jewelry and ornaments. Its association with spirituality and divine connection led to its use in rings worn by bishops. In ancient China, amethyst was carved into intricate figurines and ornaments, symbolizing wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Its vibrant purple color made it a highly prized gemstone, reserved for royalty and the elite. Amethyst's enduring appeal throughout history is a testament to its captivating beauty and the enduring belief in its mystical properties. Section 5. Embracing the power within amethyst in your everyday life. Incorporating amethyst into your daily life is simple and can be done in various ways. Wearing amethyst jewelry is a beautiful way to keep its calming energy close. Choose a piece that resonates with you, whether it's a necklace, bracelet, or ring. Carrying a small tumbled amethyst stone in your pocket or purse is another way to benefit from its energy throughout the day. You can hold the stone in your hand and focus on its energy whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Placing an amethyst cluster in your home or workspace can create a more peaceful and harmonious environment. Choose a spot where the crystal will be visible and appreciated, such as on a shelf, desk, or altar. Section 6. Conclusion. A crystal clear path to well-being. Amethyst, with its captivating beauty and purported metaphysical properties, offers a path to greater well-being. Whether you are drawn to its calming energy, its ability to enhance intuition, or its rich history and symbolism, amethyst is a crystal that holds something special for everyone. By embracing the power of amethyst, we can tap into a deeper sense of peace, clarity, and spiritual connection. As we navigate the complexities of life, let amethyst be our guide, reminding us to find moments of tranquility and to connect with the wisdom that resides within.